When it comes to motivating a team, how do you get the formula right? Is it all about carrots and sticks? Or does it come down to understanding human nature and recognizing that no two individuals respond to the same motivations? Welcome to Leadership Hacks from Nanyang Business School, practical insights to help you lead global teams with confidence. The truth is, there's no perfect formula, but with intention, feedback can build both motivation and unity. Here are 3 hacks to help you get it right. Hack number 1, set norms together. Don't guess what motivates your team. Ask. Learn through feedback how your team prefers to be praised or even challenged. Agree on what feels fair. Once agreed, be consistent in your application of this approach. Your team will adapt to these healthy rules for giving feedback, making recognition feel safe and consistent. Hack number 2, praise in layers. Water the garden, spotlight the bloom. What this means is celebrate team wins in public, but recognize the outstanding contribution of individuals in private and link their success to the team's goals. With this method, everyone feels seen and no one excluded. Hack number 3, rotate the spotlight. It's easy to default to giving the loudest or the quickest the most praise and attention, but to keep the whole team's morale high, you should rotate the spotlight. Make a conscious effort to acknowledge different people, strengths, and styles. This builds trust in you as a leader and brings out the best in every member of the team. So, to recap, set norms together, praise in layers, and rotate the spotlight. Do these, and you'll be one step closer to leading a motivated and cohesive team to global leadership success. At Nanyang Business School, we empower leaders to thrive in global teams. Let's get started.